Welcome to today's session. In this video, we will discuss image optimization and its impact on SEO. You will learn how optimized images improve website performance, enhance user experience, and boost search engine rankings. Image optimization is the process of reducing image file size without compromising quality, adding relevant alt text, and ensuring proper formatting for web performance. Search engines consider page load speed and user experience as ranking factors. Optimized images load faster, improving SEO scores and helping pages rank higher. Large images slow down websites. By compressing them, you reduce load time, which leads to better engagement, lower bounce rates, and more conversions. Alt text describes images to search engines. It helps with SEO by improving image search rankings and making your site accessible to visually impaired users. Mobile users expect quick loading and clear visuals. Optimized images improve mobile responsiveness, ensuring a smooth experience on all devices. Choosing the right format is important. Use JPG for photos, PNG for transparency, and WebP for modern lightweight images. Adding structured data to images helps them appear in rich results and Google Discover, increasing visibility and click-through rates. Optimized images rank better in Google Images, bringing in extra organic traffic that many websites overlook. Use compression tools, descriptive file names, alt text, correct formats, and responsive sizes to fully optimize images for SEO. Thanks for watching. Start optimizing your website images today to improve speed, user experience, and rankings. Like, comment, and subscribe for more SEO tips.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.